My name is Roderick Giles, better known as Rock. I'm the plant manager here at Jensen USA in Panama City, Florida. I've been working here for 13 years. I love it at Jensen.
When did you decide to commit to this job long term?
Laundry is all I know. I've been here, like I said, 13 years, and before that, I've been with my previous company for over 18, 20 years, so laundry is all I know. And I can't see myself doing anything other than being in the laundry industry.
What accomplishments in your work fills you with the most pride?
Customer support. Being able to support our customers and our equipment, being able to put out a product that our customers love, and getting some of the feedback of how they enjoy what we have, and hearing that we're number one in the industry.
What do you like most about your job?
The people. I love dealing with people. Also too, being part of, all the things that are going on here in the factory, whether it's a new piece of equipment or if it's a new product line, being able to be part of it and make it better.
What motivates your enthusiasm for coming to work each day?
I'm always excited, because there's always going to be challenges. I'm always up for a challenge. So, getting up, being able to come to work, new challenges every day, it's always something new. It's never nothing the same. So yeah, I would say that's probably most of my excitement about coming to work every morning.